Hello, this is Greg Allison with Green Gregs. We're going to cut garlic scapes. So we're going to talk about harvesting garlic in all the phases. The first phase is you need to get the scapes. You want to catch the scapes early before they start to bloom much, because they will draw some from the bulbs. You should never let them go to flower. Greg, why'd you allow yours to go to flower? Because Greg Allison don't have any time. I don't have time to sleep, hardly. So I'm getting them now. I'm going to take these to come to the farmer's market. I've already cut some, but it's a challenge to get them all done. If you see down there by the greenhouse, a lot of them have been cut earlier last week. In fact, this garlic's going to be ready to harvest soon. Once all these leaves start going dry down here, it means it's actually ready to harvest. So it's almost ready. It'll be real soon when it starts dying down a little bit more. So I cut all that down there. I'm about to cut all this. And it's real simple what you got to do. I'm going to try to get all this finished tonight. I have so many irons in the fire, that's my issue. That's why I shut down the worm farm in part. But now I got some other emergency things I have to deal with. But in any event, what you do is you come and you cut the leaves, or cut the scapes below the first leaf. And you want to cut them before they flower out, and even that is a little bit large, more than I should let it go to. So you cut it right there, just like that. And normally you don't let it fall on the ground, but I'm holding the camera with one hand. So I got a bucket to put them in. So I'm going to go cut all these out. I'm just going to cut them below the, right above the first leaves. I'm going to go down and cut all these. So it won't take me long. It don't take time, a lot of time to do all this stuff. It's just when you got so many things to do, keeps you busy. Let me show you how to support my channel and get your heirloom seeds at the same time. Simply find one of my videos that has the links below. Some of my live sessions don't. So I'd say go in here to this video. So go down here, you can either go to my pinned comments and click more, or you can go up here to show more here. There's two ways. It's redundant. Show more or pinned comments. Either way, you're going to find links to videos and various other things. But at the very top, what you're going to find, these things for supporting my channel. Teamed up with True Leaf Market. And here's the link. Click the link to True Leaf Market. Bada bang. There it is. Here. Your non-GMO seed source since 1974. I look here what all you can get. You can get garden seeds, microgreen seeds, sprouting seeds, wheatgrass. You can get supplies to grow these things with. Everything you need. All kind of seeds, things that you need to get your garden going. See, microgreens, I show you how to grow stuff indoors. Gardening supplies. Let's say you want to grow carrots. Bam. Parsnips. And not only that, but True Leaf Market actually tells you how to grow your seeds. Look at these carrots here. Taste a little scrumptious. They tell you where it grows and how to plant them. You can't beat that. Right here at True Leaf Market, an excellent source for your seeds. So please order, use the link below my channel. The cool thing is I can actually sell these scapes at the farmer's market, because the scapes are actually good to eat. The elephant garlic scapes that are large are going to be a little bit tough. You can eat them in a salad, but it's best if you saute them. The other thing is, some people fry these up, these flowers, and they're also good just for flowers, and they actually have a very interesting smell to them. Well, not a strong smell, but some people like smell them. So they're a flower that you can sell as a flower, or they can be deep fried. Some people do that. So these will all go to the farmer's market. So Greg, why did you take so long to cut them? Why did you let them overgrow? This Greg Allison's a busy puppy. There's a reason I had to shut down my worm farm. I just can't get to everything. I've got some emergency things I got to deal with, and then I still have my day job, and I just have a lot on my plate. Anyway, that's the story. So I hope you enjoy this idea of the garlic harvest. I'll show you more in it in a little bit. These are best cut when they're small. That's still a little bit large. Now here's the thing about the bulbs that make the flowers. Eventually they would make seeds and you could plant them, but it would take a couple, 2 or 3 years to get garlic out of that. Also from the roots, you may have seen my previous videos where there's the cloves and the culms. The culms are just little bitty like seed roots that you can replant, and the next year they make a big single bulb. And then you can plant it, and that bulb will make garlic. But see, I can also just take the cloves and plant them. So I'm going to save some of these cloves and plant them, and that's the fastest, best way to plant this garlic is by saving, you know, 1 or 2 cloves out of each head. Or just saving a few heads and breaking the cloves up is what I do. So you see you get about 6 cloves or more per head. So with elephant garlic, about 6 heads. This ain't elephant here. But you get 6 cloves, and you know, if I save 1 out of 6 heads, I can replant what I had here.
And thank you for watching.